Hi, Dr. Judith Meir here from thepelvicpt.com. I'm really excited to explore today's product with you, not just because the creator is a fellow New Jerseyan, but because he and his wife teamed up to create a product that solves some common problems in pregnancy, namely low back pain and the inability to lay on your tummy. Because let's face it, that little bundle of joy that you're carting around sometimes feels like a big, heavy sack of potatoes. So, from a physical therapy perspective, let's see what the Cozy Bump Pregnancy Pillow has to offer. A few things you can see here are that the Cozy Bump slopes downward. This slope should theoretically help lengthen the low back or the supporting lumbar spine muscles and would allow for a gentle distraction of the vertebrae, creating space and length in a part of the body that normally is working overtime to support that growing belly. The other feature I see here is that inner tube, and it's its own separate air chamber. That inner tube supports the belly, but because it's separate, it can be adjusted to fit the size of the belly regardless of where you're at in terms of the pregnancy. So let's test out the Cozy Bump. I've invited my friend and fellow colleague, Dr. Jocelyn Shoemate, here today. She herself is expecting, so in just a few months. So Jocelyn, why don't you test out the Cozy Bump and tell us what you think?
Sure.
Do you feel safe getting on it?
I just, it's like a unstable surface, so I know I just have to be a little bit more careful when I go to climb on here, but it feels really safe.
All right. So I am still noticing there's a little bit of an arch in your low back. Is that do you think that if you change position that might adjust what you're feeling? Is it still a little uncomfortable?
Let's try that. Or just a little bit. Yeah, I feel like if I have my ribs supported by the top of this circle here, it takes away some of that pressure that I was feeling initially in my lower back. It's nice.
Great.
And then I think if I would get into my normal sleeping position. Yeah, this actually works perfect for that.
You must be pretty happy to be sleeping or resting on your stomach.
I have no idea. Oh, man.
And if you go back onto your belly, are there any adjustments that you would make for your body? Is there something that you think could make it more comfortable? What are your thoughts on that?
So when I feel like I'm comfortable here from my lower back standpoint, I feel that I myself have like a little bit of a rotation in this direction. But I think I just take something and then just support the front of my hip here. Just fills in a little bit of that space that I was feeling, and then cuts down on that rotation that I felt from before, and I can just lay here comfortably.
Cool. So that's kind of a specific modification for your body,
right? For my body type. I don't know if that's pregnancy or if I just was a little bit wonky before, but this definitely helps.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thanks, Josh. Should I leave you here, or
just give me 10.
Thanks so much. So there you have it. As a pelvic floor and women's health physical therapist, I treat a lot of patients before they deliver, and I think this product has the potential to be a game changer to assist women who are having a more difficult pregnancy or who are really struggling to get comfortable. It's definitely an innovative product, and a big thanks to the folks at Cozy Bump for sending us a sample to test out and review.